Have you ever noticed how quickly contentment fades? You get the thing that you wanted, a new phone, a pair of shoes, a kitchen gadget, who knows? And for a day or two, it feels good. But then suddenly your brain is looking for the next thing. That is by design. We live inside an economy built to make us feel like we never quite have enough. And it's not only exhausting, it's deeply unsustainable. But here's the truth. One of the most powerful things we can do for the planet and our own peace of mind is simply to find comfort in enough. Let's start with why enough feels so hard. The pull for more is really ancient. Our ancestors survived by always wanting a little extra. Food for winter, firewood for storms. That drive kept us alive. But in today's world, that survival instinct is hijacked by marketing algorithms and endless product drops. Every scroll tells us we're missing something, that happiness is just one purchase away. But research shows the opposite. Once our basic needs are met, more stuff stops making us happier. Instead, it clutters our homes, it drains our budgets, and quietly keeps emissions rising. Here's a tiny climate curiosity for you. If global consumption patterns mirrored those of the average European, we'd need almost 3 Earths to supply the resources. But the flip side is equally fascinating. The sufficiency economy model in Thailand, inspired by Buddhist principles, has shown that focusing on moderation and resilience can improve both well-being and environmental outcomes. And that's proof that sometimes less really is more in measurable ways. What does enough actually look like in daily life? It's not about minimalism as an aesthetic. It's about intentional abundance, choosing what truly adds value. And this can mean owning fewer, better quality things, cooking with what's already in the fridge, teaching kids that experiences last longer than stuff, and choosing slower upgrades, waiting an extra year before replacing a phone. Each choice may feel small, but together they build resilience, financially, mentally, and ecologically. So, what's the deeper payoff? When we find comfort in enough, we also reclaim time, our time. Because less shopping means fewer decisions. Less clutter means less stress. And that calm is also deeply contagious. Children notice it, friends feel it, and it quietly reshapes the culture around us. I think that's why minimalism is so much on the rise. This mindset is powerful climate action because it cuts straight to the heart of what drives the crisis: consumption beyond needs. And when we step outside that loop, we don't just help the planet, we help ourselves breathe again. So what if we made enough our new aspiration? Enough comfort, enough security, enough joy. Imagine an economy built around that. One where we're measured not by how much we consume, but by how well we live. And that starts at our kitchen tables, in our choices, in our conversations with our kids. Because a sustainable future isn't about having nothing. It's about finally feeling like we have enough. What can you think of that you have enough of at the moment? Thank you for joining me, and see you again soon.